Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make European pancakes. Unlike their thicker American counterparts, these are typically thin and delicate, often without leavening agents. You'll need simple ingredients like flour, eggs, and milk. Think of them as a versatile base for many dishes, from sweet crêpes to savory blini. We'll cover the essential steps to achieve that perfect, light texture. Once you have your ingredients, whisk them together thoroughly until the batter is completely smooth, with no lumps. The ideal consistency should be thin and pourable, much like heavy cream, allowing it to spread easily in the pan. For the best texture and to allow the flour to fully hydrate, let your batter rest for 15 to 30 minutes before cooking. To cook, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat, lightly greased with butter or oil. Pour a small amount of batter into the hot pan, quickly swirling it to create a thin, even layer across the bottom. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on the first side until golden, then flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until done. European pancakes are wonderfully versatile. For a sweet treat, try them with fresh fruit, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or a dollop of jam. Savory options include fillings like cheese, ham, or even smoked salmon. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This vacuum offers voice control and is perfect for pet owners, making cleanup a breeze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.